So 2024 has been the absolute best year for my personal online course creation business. I've personally created with my team more than 15 courses. I've educated more than 30,000 people on Udemy, and I have 10,000 more students come from Skillshare. I created 5 courses for companies that have hired me and have paid me to create courses just for them, and all of the income that I've generated comes with insanely huge profit margins. Now, starting an online course creation business 4 years ago has been the absolute best idea that I've ever had, and pretty much it was completely unintentional. Online course creation is not a hot topic regarding making money online because honestly, I've completely accidentally entered this niche. No one told me to become an online course creator, but I'm here to show you the exact steps that I've followed to generate tens of thousands of dollars while being a course creator without having any followers. So with 0 followers, $0 to invest in ads, 0 business knowledge, right? 0 marketing knowledge. I managed to create an online course empire and become one of the most famous course creators in online course marketplaces. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the job of a course creator looks like, why I absolutely think that course creation is the best new business model to start in 2025, and some tips and tricks that I have to give you for you to find success. In general, in order to find success as a course creator, you need to follow these 4 steps. And these 4 steps are the only thing that I want you to have in mind for now. So these 4 steps are researching, creating, uploading, and leveraging. And we're going to start with researching. So in general, my business model, the model that my business follows, and this model that enabled me again to educate more than 60,000 people from all over the world, right, without having any dollars to invest in ads, again, without any followers, is by tailoring my courses to appeal in online course marketplaces. And why do I upload my courses in online course marketplaces? I do this because these marketplaces completely take care of the marketing, and also online course creators are of high demand in these marketplaces. There are more than 40 million people that consume courses every year on Udemy, but there's a huge lack of teachers. It's completely unsaturated, right? And here's this video with probably 100, 150 views, 200 views, right, of this random dude that has no idea about marketing, about online business, telling you there's an unsaturated niche out there waiting to be saturated by you, right? You're looking at a new opportunity here. And the fact that this video doesn't have millions of views means that there is still time for you to embark on this journey and start creating courses and start making a shit ton of money from these marketplaces like I'm doing. To give you more context, I was a medical student when I started creating these courses 4 years ago. I started this business as I was in med school. Now I'm a doctor, I'm still creating these courses because I know that this is a huge opportunity and there's just a huge piece of cake in the middle of the table just waiting to be collected. So why should I collect this cake and why you shouldn't, right? It's dumb. You should be creating courses. This is a great business model. So again, these marketplaces, right, they're asking for teachers, they're looking for teachers. And the best way to fulfill this demand is by leveraging the fact that these marketplaces literally every month they release a sheet, right, a PDF document with in-demand class topics. Pretty much hot courses that if they were created, they would find success. So to set the record straight here and to repeat myself, these marketplaces which are looking for teachers, and there is a huge demand for teachers, right? They're literally telling you that if you create courses on certain topics, you will find success and you will make money. So it really all comes down into you knowing how to create a course, right? And of course, having access to these documents, to these PDF files, right, from these marketplaces that let you know of the hot topics. If you want access to these files, by the way, they're uploaded in these marketplaces. So every marketplace uploads, again, a PDF document with high demand courses, and you can also access them from the second link in the description. It is my personal course creation academy. In this course creation academy, I pretty much give you the hot topics. I guide you through every single step that you need to take in order to scale and launch this online course business of yours. Like every single step that you need to take is in the second link of the description. So again, once you have the course topics and you know that this topic is going to find success in these marketplaces, the second thing you need to do is to, first of all, align your personal skills and your personal expertise with these topics. So pretty much like get to know which topic you're feeling comfortable of instructing, and then creating this content, right? Creating the course. And creating the course, it really comes down into the systems that you have in place. So let's talk about course creation. Again, creating the topic really comes down into the systems, the framework, the setup that you have into play. It's not that hard to create a course, like structuring the content, shooting the course, it's not that hard. It's just that the more easy and the more accessible your shooting gear is, and the more easy you can just sit on your desk, press 2 buttons and start recording, the more content you will be creating, the more you're going to be outputting, because the name of the game in this course creation business is output. You need to be creating content. That's the most important thing. I've personally created more than 30 courses, and most of my courses are more than 2.5 hours long, right? I've worked a lot for what I have right now, and it all comes down into having the correct systems into place. So again, personally, for me, as an experienced course creator, from the moment that I sit down in my desk, right, I can in 30 seconds have camera A and camera B shooting and me instructing a course lesson, right? So once you shoot the content of your course, and I'm not going to get into too much detail here in course creation principles and how a course lesson should look like, because everything is in the second link in the description completely for free. Once you shoot the content of the course, it all comes down into having an amazing thumbnail, perhaps editing the content, but again, you do not need any hard editing principles in your content of the course, because again, course students enroll in your courses for the information and not for the entertainment. If someone was interested just in the entertainment, they would just watch a YouTube video, right? But people that watch courses, the people that pay for courses are there for the information. They're not there for the entertainment. And this is great news for you, because this means you don't need like a fancy editor for your course. You can apply some basic video editing principles, and this will skyrocket the production value of your course, and it will just set you apart from the competition. But if you choose to target a niche that's not that competitive, it's completely fine if you don't even edit your course lessons, right? So once your course is uploaded, you need a thumbnail and you need to search engine optimize the title and the description of the course. This is extremely important, right? Because in online course marketplaces, we're leveraging the fact that our courses are search engine optimized, and they also appear to search results in these marketplaces, right? If you manage to have one of your courses rank up in search results, you will see insane results. You will start printing money from your course, trust me. So the next step, once your course is created, is to leverage this course. Because trust me, an online course is not a YouTube video. An online course is an asset, right? And if this asset is placed correctly in online destinations, it can be leveraged, it can be making you money every single day, regardless of what you're doing. You can be sleeping, your courses will be generating income if placed correctly in the correct online destinations. And what are these online destinations? These are online course marketplaces. These are course licensing marketplaces, for example, in which you can license, right, your courses for other people to take in their businesses and use in their funnels and use as lead magnets, right? So you can again license the right for your courses. You can upload your courses in online course marketplaces. You can have other companies hire you as a course creator, again, like I've done 5 times this year, to create courses for them, and you can charge as much as you want for these courses. You can even upload your courses in different websites of yours and funnel people from social media to these websites. There's literally no ceiling and no stop on how much time and how much money you can generate from one course of yours. I literally have courses that I've created 4 years ago around how to use GoPros, and keep in mind that I don't even use GoPros anymore, but these courses generate income every single month, right? Because I know how to leverage these courses correctly. And again, more principles and more strategies on how to take one course of yours and just cross-upload it and make the most out of this course can be found in the second link in the description. And this pretty much like concludes what a course creator does. Again, you research hot course topics, you create the courses, you can have a team of people that create thumbnails and edit your courses and search engine optimize your courses if you want to just detach yourself from this business. And then it all comes down into cross-uploading the courses into the correct online destinations and staying active in these online destinations. For example, on Skillshare, I am a top teacher there. I belong in a very small percentage of instructors. There's probably 0.1%. Every single course that I personally create on Skillshare gets featured and gets sent in an email newsletter to more than 1.5 million people, 1.5 million, again, students on Skillshare. And I've done this because I've stayed active in the platform. When a student of mine asks a question, I invest my time and I invest some of my energy to reply to this question, right? And I've done this for multiple times. I've built amazing relationship with the staff on Skillshare, and now every single course that I create pretty much gets featured. So you need to get involved, you need to stay active in these marketplaces to show people in these marketplaces that you're an amazing creator and you apply with their rules, and they will keep promoting your courses. So this is pretty much how it feels running an online course business in 2024. I still believe that this is the best business model to start in 2025, and it's probably going to be the best business model for the next decade at least. The e-learning space is growing exponentially every year, and trust me, you're still very early. If you want to make the most out of this opportunity, you can hire me to coach you personally on how to create, launch, and scale your courses, and you can check out more information in the first link of the description. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next video.